Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Over the years, DJI's Mini series has carved out a special place in the hearts of drone enthusiasts, particularly among beginners. With its compact design, user-friendly controls, and remarkable versatility, it has become the go-to choice for hobbyists and first-time pilots alike. However, the reception to the DJI Mini 4 Pro was somewhat lukewarm, with many users feeling that the upgrades offered were incremental rather than groundbreaking. This left a crucial question. Was the price hike justified? Now, with the whispers of the DJI Mini 5 Pro growing louder, anticipation is reaching a fever pitch. Could this be the revolutionary update fans have been waiting for? In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve into the latest leaks, anticipated features, and potential improvements that might set the Mini 5 Pro apart from its predecessors. Let's take a closer look. Balancing power and portability. A persistent challenge. One of the defining challenges of the Mini series has always been the delicate balance between power and portability. DJI has consistently aimed to pack advanced technology into drones that remain under the 250-gram weight limit, a threshold that exempts users in the US from requiring an FAA license. This weight class is crucial for maintaining the series' appeal, allowing users to fly with fewer regulatory hurdles. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to adhere to this weight limit while incorporating significant upgrades, such as a larger battery, enhanced camera systems, and advanced sensors. Achieving this feat will require exceptional engineering ingenuity. The question remains: can DJI deliver substantial upgrades without sacrificing the lightweight convenience that defines the Mini series? Camera upgrades. A potential game changer. If rumors hold, the Mini 5 Pro could feature a 1-inch sensor, marking a significant leap from the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor translates to numerous benefits. Sharper image quality, greater detail and clarity in photos and videos, richer colors, enhanced color accuracy and vibrancy, improved dynamic range, better performance in scenes with high contrast, low light superiority, reduced noise and superior performance in dim lighting conditions. While enthusiasts might hope for higher megapixel counts, DJI seems to prioritize sensor quality over sheer resolution. This strategy aligns with the growing demand for drones capable of producing professional-grade visuals. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro might offer 4K video recording at 60 FPS or even an impressive 120 FPS, enabling smooth, cinematic footage for content creators. Enhanced AI tracking. Revolutionizing action shots. Another highly anticipated feature for the Mini 5 Pro is improved AI tracking capabilities. Whether you're filming a dynamic biking scene, following a fast-moving car, or capturing high-energy sports, enhanced subject tracking could make a world of difference. This upgrade could mean smoother tracking, minimizing jerky movements and maintaining focus on the subject, increased accuracy, better adaptability to fast or erratic subject movements, broader appeal. From beginners to seasoned professionals, this feature would enhance creative possibilities. Such advancements would position the Mini 5 Pro as a versatile tool for anyone looking to capture dynamic content effortlessly. 5G connectivity. A modern upgrade. Connectivity is becoming an increasingly vital aspect of drone performance. The introduction of 5G technology in the Mini 5 Pro could revolutionize how users interact with their drones. Key benefits might include faster real-time control, reducing lag for a seamless flying experience, sharper live feeds, providing high-resolution, real-time video feeds during flights, extended range, allowing users to explore larger areas without losing connection. This upgrade could significantly enhance the overall user experience, especially for those relying on live video for creative projects or real-time surveillance. Battery life. Extended flight times. Longer flight times have always been a priority for drone enthusiasts, and the Mini 5 Pro appears poised to deliver. It is rumored to either match or surpass the Mini 4 Pro's impressive 40-minute flight time per charge. This feature is particularly valuable for users capturing extended video sessions without frequent interruptions, exploring larger landscapes or conducting more thorough surveys. An efficient battery combined with a lightweight design would ensure that the Mini 5 Pro remains a top choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Safety and intelligent features. Making flying easier. The Mini 5 Pro is also expected to come equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors. These sensors would enhance safety and make the drone more accessible to users of all skill levels. Coupled with intelligent flight modes like active track, automatically following a subject, master shots, creating complex, professional-looking shots with minimal input, enhanced time-lapse and hyperlapse, unlocking new creative possibilities. These features would elevate the Mini 5 Pro's appeal as an all-in-one tool for capturing stunning visuals effortlessly. Expected release and market impact. If DJI follows its usual release schedule, the Mini 5 Pro could launch in early 2025. While some might view the rumored upgrades as incremental, the cumulative effect of these improvements could redefine what the Mini series represents. A better camera, enhanced AI tracking, 5G connectivity, and improved safety features could position the Mini 5 Pro as a lightweight yet professional-grade drone. For DJI, delivering these advancements while maintaining the under 250-gram weight class is crucial. Achieving this balance would not only retain their loyal fan base but also attract a broader audience looking for a powerful, portable drone. Final thoughts. What's your take? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a pivotal release in the Mini series. Whether you're hoping for a groundbreaking overhaul or are already intrigued by the rumored features, this drone could set a new benchmark in the compact drone market. Are you excited about the potential upgrades, or do you feel DJI needs to deliver something truly revolutionary to justify the hype? Share your thoughts and expectations in the comments below.